The Black Sea is a body of water and marginal sea of the ocean. A. Indian. B. Atlantic. C. Arctic. D. Pacific. C is correct answer. The United Nations International Tolerance is observed on A. Musola. B. August Sola. C. November Sola. D. December Sola. C is correct answer. The Gomu Pass, one of the most important trade routes from subcontinent to A. Iran. B. Afghanistan. C. India. D. Turkey. B is correct answer. World Mangroves Day is celebrated on A. July. B. Pichiswan. C. B. Do Cha Saat Do. D. C. Do Saat Saat Do. A. D. Do Aat Saat Do. B is correct answer. The Gulf of Carpentaria is located at northern coast of A. Canada. B. Russia. C. Australia. D. China. C is correct answer. Nuuk is the capital and largest city of A. New Guinea. B. Greenland. C. Malagasy. D. Fiji. B is correct answer. Which African country has made floating island? A. Uruguay. B. Nigeria. C. Ivory Coast. D. Niger. C is correct answer. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? A. Warren Hastings. B. Robert. C. William Bentinck. D. Lord Cornwallis. A is correct answer. Tenure of House of Representatives in US is A. 4 year. B. 3 year. C. 4 year. D. 2 year. D is correct answer. Time duration of a senator is A. 5 year. B. 6 year. C. 7 year. D. 8 year. B is correct answer. How many pieces has each player in chess game? A. 12. B. 14. C. 16. D. 18. C is correct answer. Who is considered as the father of Chinese artificial satellite? A. Zhao Zhurong. B. Zhang Ji. C. Sir Charles Kunkau. D. Which physicist is called the father of the Chinese atomic bomb? A. Frederick Joliot Curie. B. Qian Sanqiang. C. Chen Franklin Yang. D. Wang Ganchang. B is correct answer. Google celebrated the birthday in the honor of Dr. Atfos. A. Satyavang. B. Isivan. C. Navevang. D. None of these. C is correct answer. Who is president of USA at the time of World War I? A. Abraham Lincoln. B. Woodrow Wilson. C. George Washington. D. James Madison. B is correct answer. Which country has a golden bridge that's held up by a pair of giant concrete hands? A. USA. B. China. C. Vietnam. D. None of these. C is correct answer. Penalty cards used in football first introduced in which year? A. 1970. B. 1974. C. 1996. D. None of these. A is correct answer. Which country detonated its first nuclear device underground? A. North Korea. B. China. C. USA. D. USSR. A is correct answer. In which country have scientists species of dinosaur that was the largest ever discovered in the world identified? New. A. Pakistan. B. China. C. India. D. Australia. D is correct answer. Ancient city Commune emerged in which country on September 2019? A. Iran. B. KSA. C. Yemen. D. Iraq. D is correct answer. Kartarpur corridor is Gurdaspur in Punjab, India, away from A. 3 kilometers. B. 4 kilometers. C. 5 kilometers. D. 6 kilometers. A is correct answer. The total length of Pakistan border is A. 6774 km. B. 6578 km. C. 6744 km. D. 6722 km. A is correct answer. White Cane Day observed on A. October 15. B. October 17. C. October 16. D. None of these. A is correct answer. Who is the founder of Abraj Group, Dubai-based equity fund? A. Faiza Naqvi. B. Badr Jaffa. C. Arif Naqvi. D. Sohail Anjum. C is correct answer. Order of Cloud and Banner is the most prestigious military award of A. America. B. Japan. C. China. D. North Korea. C is correct answer. Which mountain peak is called K1? A. Nanga Parbat. B. Tirichmia. C. Mount Everest. D. Mashabram. D is correct answer. The depth of world's deepest and largest swimming pool is A. 25 meters. B. 30 meters. C. 45 meters. D. 60 meters. D is correct answer. World's deepest swimming pool is situated in which country? A. USA. B. Germany. C. UAE. D. Australia. C is correct answer. Which famous religious Sufi order is present in Gilded Baltistan? A. Naqshbandiya. B. Chistiya. C. Nabakshiya. D. Kalandaria. C is correct answer. For which mineral, Duki is fan? A. Sulfur. B. Chromite. C. Barites. D. Coal. D is correct answer. Bharatiya Janata Party was founded in A. 1960. B. 1960. C. 1980. D. 1947. C is correct answer. When the pilot of an aeroplane used the critical word mayday 3 times, it means the pilot and A. In dangerous situation. B. Calling for help. C. Passengers are in panic. D. Airplane is in danger. B is correct answer. Tuki is a district of which province in Pakistan? January 8 is celebrated as in every year. A. New Year's Day. B. World Orphan Day. C. Cancer Day. D. World Wetlands Day. A is correct answer. Lenin Wall is located in which country? A. France. B. Prague. C. Spain. D. Rome. B is correct answer. Great Wall of Gorgon is located in A. China. B. Italy. C. Iran. D. France. C is correct answer. Which is the space agency of the world? A. RKA. B. CSIRO. C. NASA. C is correct answer. The Lighthouse of Alexandria is located in A. Egypt. B. USA. C. Russia. D. Mexico. A is correct answer. Total sites in Indus Valley civilization are A. 1300. B. 1400. C. 1500. D. None of these. B is correct answer. Grand Kamlaka Mosque is largest mosque of A. Saudi Arab. B. Turkey. C. Syria. D. Indonesia. B is correct answer. Sir Richard Branson belongs to which country? A. America. B. England. C. British. D. China. C is correct answer. The University of in Italy is the Europe's oldest university in continuous operatic since ek safar at A. Bologna. B. Medicine. C. Cambridge. D. None of these. A is correct answer. The Revolution of Roses, often translated into English as the Rose Revolution, was a pro-Western peaceful change of power in the following country. A. Austria. B. Georgia. C. Northern Ireland. D. Ukraine. B is correct answer. The Velvet Revolution or Gentle Revolution was a non-violent transition of power took place in A. Czechoslovakia. B. Bolivia. C. Bhutan. D. Nepal. A is correct answer. The Orange Revolution, a series of protests and political events, took place in which of A. India. B. Ukraine. C. North Korea. D. Afghanistan. B is correct answer. Where is Rakaposhi Glacier located in Gilded Baltistan? A. Astor. B. Hansa. C. Dayama. D. Nagar. D is correct answer. The book Wealth of Nations was written by A. Adam Smith. B. Karl Marx. C. Steve Smith. D. Shakespeare. A is correct answer. First female lady became the DG of the Lahore Development Authority. A. Aisha. B. Atiya. C. Rukhsar. D. Amna Imran Khan. D is correct answer. Total number of permanent members of Financial Action Task Force FATF are A. 38. B. 39. C. 40. D. 42. B is correct answer. The gulf that separates Finland and Sweden in Europe is A. Gulf of Bothnia. B. Gulf of Lions. C. Gulf of Genoa. D. Gulf of Venice. A is correct answer. Which country was invaded in the Biswa century? By Germany in the Biswa century. A. Poland. B. France. C. USA. D. China. A is correct answer. The Malam Java in one of the important tourist point in A. Swat Valley. B. Hansa Valley. C. Chitral Valley. D. None of these. A is correct answer. The French Open is played as court. A. Hard courts. B. Grass. C. Clay. D. Sand. C is correct answer. Wheel is a symbol of A. Peace. B. Prosperity. C. Progress. D. Speed. C is correct answer. Ultrasonic waves are those sound waves having frequency A. Between 20 Hz and 1000 Hz. B. Between 1000 Hz and 20000 Hz. C. Less than 20 Hz. D. More than 20 kHz. D is correct answer. The flightless bird kiwi is found in A. Australia. B. New Zealand. C. Africa. D. Central Asian mountains. B is correct answer. Which was the first city destroyed by the atomic bomb in World War II? A. Hiroshima. B. Paris. C. Nagasaki. D. London. A is correct answer. How many months have 31 days in a year? A. 5 month. B. 7 month. C. 8 month. D. 9 month. B is correct answer. The following countries Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Finland, Iceland are called A. Scandinavian. B. Nordic. C. Baltic. D. None of these. B is correct answer. The Baltic states Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania in northern Europe lies on the Baltic Sea coast of the A. Eastern coast. B. Western coast. C. Northern coast. D. Southern coast. A is correct answer. The Arab League was formed in A. Jeddah. B. Tehran. C. Riyadh. D. Cairo. D is correct answer. Who wrote the book Conversation with Myself? A. Nelson Mandela. B. Fort Dombia. C. Robert Greene. D. Zelig Pliskin. A is correct answer. Which country is included in the Horn of Africa? A. Egypt. B. Sudan. C. Somalia. D. Kenya. C is correct answer. Bread for the World Institute is based in A. Los Angeles. B. Washington. C. New York. D. Geneva. B is correct answer. Which of the following oceans was called Bahar-e-Zulamat by Allama Iqbal? A. Indian Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arabic Ocean. B is correct answer. A group of fishes is called A. Clouda. B. Fruit. C. Shoal. D. Skull. C is correct answer. A group of carps is called A. Shoal. B. Clouda. C. Fruit. D. Skull. B is correct answer. Don River located in which country? A. USA. B. India. C. Australia. D. Russia. D is correct answer. Real name of Pakistani playback singer Noor Jahan. A. Zeban Nisa. B. Malika Taranam. C. Allah Rakha Vasai. D. Vasai Bibi. C is correct answer. Which is known as the lungs of the world? A. Himalaya. B. Africa. C. Amazon. D. Sundarban. C is correct answer. After World War I, which Muslim empire disintegrated? A. Abbasids. B. Umayyad. C. Ottoman. D. Mughal.